Is it on? Okay, it's on. So we're doing the first vlog. Yay! Do I look like a mess? Because I just woke up. Legitimately just woke up. Yeah. Look at this. Like, I don't know if you can see that because I have it facing towards it. Yeah, I'm gonna show you little clips of what I do. So yeah, let's get on with the routine. Heck, I do with my life. I have absolutely no idea why I showed you that I was brushing my teeth, but you know, that's how it works. So yeah, and the next thing we do is we eat breakfast. Oh, we have cereal. Next thing I normally do is I take out the trash and clean the dishes, right? But I wouldn't show you that. Nah, no way I would do that. I just did. So yeah, say hello, Oreo. He's not my dog, he's just a random dog out here. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw out the trash. No clue why this is in the video, but it's exactly what I do. Now I should show it. How am I gonna do this? And the next thing we do is we go get the mail. Look what it is. Oh, we got some crap. Okay. Well, after this, I normally like to go ahead and do exercise. So, see you guys there. Just kidding. This is what I really do. Play games. Now, this is level. Okay, yeah. You got the point. I play internet. What? I don't play internet. I watch the internet. Or YouTube. So, yeah. This is exactly what I do. But don't worry, I do exercise, and that's exactly what I do after a few hours of the video game. Just kidding. After about like 30 minutes. So, let's get on with that. Do exercise. Oh. Duh, duh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You get the point. Next thing we do is we do a bit of eating. So yeah, time to eat something. Hey, let's see. Oh wait, I don't have food. But guess what? I am a magician. Look at this. 3, 2, 1. Ta-da!
Wow.
Well, I'm gonna go ahead and eat this. So right after I eat lunch, whatever it is, like a burrito or hot dog, it's like, don't worry, it's not real magic, it's just editing. I wish it was real magic. Anyways, so I guess I'll see you guys there. Hey.
Stop looking at my face.
So we're at Blue Gamer's house right now. The next clip is gonna show us fireworks. Dude, the next clip is gonna be fireworks, okay? Okay, that's it. No. I'm still vlogging.
Préndelo. Quítate en tu cola, Nayara.
Dude, I recorded.
Alexis.
Oh gosh.
In the stupid mud.
Dude, will it pop if you step on it?
Watch out. So me get away.
It's all on camera.
Wait, let mine. Okay, now ignite it with mine. Ignite it with mine. Flip, stop moving. You're gonna spark me. Okay. You want yours ignited? Wait.
I think it burned way too much.
There you go.
Yay! What are these called again? What are these called?
Sparklers.
Well, Harry Potter now.
Harry Potter.
But you're Ron, because Ron sucks.
Yeah.
Avada, wait, you're the green one, I'm the red one. Red one.
That's because
I bet it could what? No.
Oh no, my wand is out of power.
A double
Friends battery.
stupefy.
Yeah, so I'm a machine.
This is so dumb.
Good flamethrowers.
That ain't a spell. Avada Kedavra is a spell that will kill you.
Oh no, I think mine's actually running out.
Haha, sucker! I will kill
I
you.
said about batteries.
There's no batteries. This is amazing.
Done with that one. On to the next one.
Okay. Oh, that was good. Yes, I still got that on camera. They're about to do it. They're about to do it. I think I completely failed. Oh, that was good. Yeah! Oh. Hey everybody, that's the end of the day and the end of this vlog. So, that's about it. You know, hope you guys enjoyed the fireworks and, you know, everything. So, yeah. Go ahead and rate and, well, just do whatever you guys want. So, yeah. The vlogger out.